I'm Rowan, and this is my sketchbook and a couple of other things. So I wanted to give a little tour of it because I made it myself and I'm very proud of it. It's based on the Louise Carmen Paper Republic Traveler's Journal sort of setup. So it's just got elastics threaded through it that hold a bunch of different notebooks and folders inside. Um, yeah, I would have loved the Louise Carmen journal, but they're like $200, I think. So that was never going to happen. So I just got myself $50 worth of leather and made my own. And I'm really glad I did because it's more meaningful to me now. It's one of my most prized possessions and it's more unique, I think. So inside, I got a couple different books. Firstly, is my journal proper, like a diary sort of setup. It's this really beautiful, it's like Italian leather, red bordered little journal that was actually a gift from my parents. So thanks, Mom and Dad. And then I have my dream journal in a moleskin paper cover book and another moleskin paper cover that I use for notes on whatever book I'm reading at the time, or I read multiple books at one time usually. So I put them all in here and I just title the top of the page what book it is that I'm referencing, and that is good enough for me. I'm not in school or anything, so it's not that serious. I also have this little leather pen holder that holds my Kawaco fountain pen. I love this pen. I don't use it to write very often just because otherwise I'd have to replace the ink like every week, and that's not really viable for me. But I always use it in my sketchbook, which is the next book in here, the book that I probably use the most. I spend some time on this pretty much every morning, and then I bring this everywhere with me. So this is where I do all of my art on the go. This is this morning's spread, for example. And then last but not least is my morning pages journal. I did the Artist's Way Julia Cameron thing this summer, and I got in the habit of doing 3 pages every morning right when I wake up. So this and my sketchbook I use every single day. And then in the very back, I made a folder out of scrap paper and fabric to hold more scrap paper and fabric, which I put in my sketchbook and stuff. And these 2 clippies, which come super in handy for holding the rest of the book down while you work, because it can get tricky when your book is as thick as mine. But that's it. It's all wrapped up nice in this lovely little leather case. Yeah, I really, really love this book. I really recommend making your own if you're looking for something like this. It's so easy, it's so worth it, and it's so yours, you know. Um, yeah, I hope you enjoyed hearing about my sketchbook and my journal as much as I like to show off my sketchbook and my journal.